Unlock your global earnings today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can start creating and setting up a Payoneer account. So first of all, you have just to open your browser and dive into Payoneer.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can open a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and businesses for cross-border payments. So first of all you have to do is just click over sign up now. But before, let's read this information. The global account for your freelance businesses. A Payoneer account is the quick, secure, and reliable way to get paid by clients and freelance marketplace. Make payments from your Payoneer accounts or withdraw earnings locally with just a few clicks. So once you click over sign up, you will find this page. You have to choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. So you choose if you are freelancer or CMB or online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host or individual. So here you select the one you are, choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs, please select the option that describes you best. So I click over individual. Once you do that, you will find this page, freelancer agency sorry, or service provider getting paid by clients or VMA marketplace. You have to get paid by leading marketplaces including Upwork, Fiverr, the images and more. Get paid we have also get paid by your global clients, and we have furthermore withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rates. Also here we have withdraw funds at TMS, pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free well. So once you click over register, you will find this page. You have just to get started. We have a Payoneer sign up getting started. So we have to answer this question: is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority? We have no, my business isn't registered, or yes, I own or represent a registered business. You write your first name, your last name, your email address, and you confirm your address, and we have your date of birth. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page, which is contact details, also Payoneer signing up. Please fill in the files in English characters only. Providing a complete and accurate address speeds up your account approval. You choose the country, street, and number, and also here we have a mobile number, and you click over send code and onto the verification code we sent your mobile number. So you write your verification code here, and then you will find security details, and then the last step, which is almost done. So those two steps I didn't mention it because I already did it and I can't do that with the same number. I can do this again, the sign up. So once you done with security details and almost done, you will find congratulations here. Your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Payoneer card? Learn how to order one. You are now in second step of the application process. You have the first one, application completed. Application has been successfully submitted. Then we have the second one, which is review in process. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. Then we have here receive a payment. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and can begin receiving payments to your account. Then you will find the home page. Once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account to facilitate easy withdrawals. You can then receive payments from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer receiving accounts. which support multiple currencies to enhance your experience. Consider ordering a Payoneer prepaid master card for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. So here we have in the homepage home transactions updated every several minutes. We have latest here upcoming and we have view all here, nothing to see here right now. We have also withdraw and transfer, convert currencies, transfer money between your currency balances to make payments in the currency you need. We have here from select the balance to and to select the balance. To manage currency, you need to be receiving funds to Payoneer account and you click over learn more. Of course, if you want to learn more, then we have account activity here such as transactions, payment requests sent, and also you have reports and statements, monthly statement, transaction reports, and also we have bank account here. Payoneer serves the right to verify that you have access to and control over any bank account. For withdrawal, you add to your account. You can also add another account, and then we have the last option, which is business networking, like companies you work with, business application, and connects apps. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transactions. By following the setup steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operations. Embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So this is how it works with Payoneer and how you can get started with it, and just sign up and you write your personal information and you get started with Payoneer. Also here we have other information, like here we have fees made easy. We have made it our pricing easy to understand the way it should be. We have no surprises, no trouble, no delays, low fees. And we have also here visit our resource hub. We have your contact Payoneer support, and you have here get online support, how to video and guys Payoneer community, and we will have to get started now. Ready to open your own Payoneer account? Just give us a few details and we will find the right type of account for you. We have also your solutions partners about help, follow us. So this is how it works with Payoneer. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget, like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. So the thing that you have, it's just to dive into payoneer.com and you write first, and you click over sign up and you write your personal information, then you get started with Payoneer.